In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create subscriber groups in MailerLite so you can organize your audience and send more targeted emails. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, open your browser and head over to MailerLite. Then sign in using your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Take a moment to get familiar with the navigation menu running down the left side of the screen. This is your control center for everything in MailerLite. From that menu, go ahead and click on Subscribers. This is where all your subscriber management tools live, so you'll be coming back here often. Before we dive into creating a group, it's worth understanding exactly what groups are and why they matter. Groups let you organize your subscribers into categories, like newsletter subscribers, customers, leads, or webinar attendees. Unlike segments, which are dynamic and update automatically based on conditions, groups are managed manually or through automations. That means you have full control over who goes where, which is great for specific campaigns or event follow-ups. Now, still within the subscribers section, click on Groups. You'll see a list of any existing groups you might already have. To add a new one, locate and click the Create Group button. A form or pop-up window will appear, ready for you to name your group. Type in a descriptive name, something clear and practical, like new leads, premium customers, or event registrations. I can't stress enough how important it is to use clear naming conventions here. Avoid vague titles like Group 1, Test Group, or List A. You want names that make sense to you and anyone else managing your account, months down the line. Once you've entered a good name, click Create, Save, or whichever equivalent button appears. Your new group will be instantly added to your account. To make sure everything worked, confirm that the group is now visible in your groups list. Finally, click on the group name to open its details page. Here you can review the members, add subscribers manually, or set up automations. But just getting this group created is a huge step toward better email organization. You've successfully set up a subscriber group in MailerLite, giving you a powerful way to segment your audience and send more relevant content. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!